Lowri from the IET and welcome to First LEGO League Junior. We're so excited that you've registered for Boomtown Build, and whatever capacity you feel that you're able to deliver the programme, these videos are just to help you along the way, give you some tips and show you what you should be focusing on in each session. So whether you're running a programme at home or in school, use this as you need to. So pause, rewind, fast forward, whatever helps you. We know that in the current situation, normal rules don't apply. So whether your team is 2 siblings at home or a larger group of children at school, or whether you're running multiple teams, it's all great. And we're just really happy that hopefully the children will be learning some new skills and having lots of fun along the way. So you will have received a team meeting guide along with your Inspire set and the engineering notebooks for each child. So the team meeting guide is for you as the coach, teacher, parent to guide you through each session, take you through the programme. There's lots and lots of detail in here, so don't feel that you need to achieve everything in each session. But if you want more information on how to use the team meeting guide and the engineering notebooks, there's lots of information and videos on our website, as well as lots of other resources that can help you through the process. So, the first session is called Welcome to Boomtown, and as the name suggests, it's about welcoming the team to the world of First LEGO League Junior and introducing the theme of Boomtown. We want the children to start thinking about the places they live, the spaces they live in, their communities and all the buildings around them. During that session, the children will also be introduced to May and Marco, who are 2 characters that will reappear through each session and give them lots of tasks and ask some questions of them. They'll also start building with some Lego, which we think they'll probably be quite excited about. Using the base plates that came in the Inspire set, each child will be asked to create a Lego model of a building in their community. We want them to, of course, use the examples in the spaces around them, but also be creative. The more creative, the better. We want them to share ideas. So it's not just about sitting building by themselves. We want them to ask each other what they're doing and explore the idea of teamwork and communication, which are 2 really important parts of First LEGO League Junior. They'll also start drawing and sharing some ideas in their engineering notebook. And one thing that I wanted to share with you was a poem that appears in the first session. The idea of the poem is to inspire the children to start asking those questions about the community. Is it strong? Is it stable? Can you shake it on the table? Is it plain? Is it pretty? Will it fit into a city? Who will use it? What's it for? Who will be coming through the door? So that's about it for session 1. So the main things to remember and the tick list to make sure you've done for session 1 are for the children to understand what the theme is, for them to have created a Lego model using the base plates and the Lego inside the Inspire set, and to start exploring the idea of teamwork and communication. If you've done that, you've nailed it. We really hope you enjoy the process and each session of First LEGO League Junior. If you've got any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, our website, of course, please go and look at that. And also, if you have any questions specifically about the programme, please do contact us on this email. Really hope you enjoy the process, and we'll see you all soon.